Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Berge, the Daily Trader. It is May 27th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla going up again. So we are up $51.90. That's 7.33%. Closed at 759.63. Post market, we seem to be even up a little bit by 57 cents. So let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart right here. So since 2 days ago, so since Wednesday, we started having big green candles for Tesla. Tesla is still in a downward channel, and we came close to coming outside of that channel right here on May 4th. So let's not get too excited. On May 4th, we had a nice green candle, but then we were stopped by this downward resistance right here. And also on April 21st. On April 21st, the day after this great earnings call, all is not gained so far, but this is really interesting to see Tesla going so high and so fast. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we saw this move happening. It all started right here when stochastic became over 60. This was the first glimpse as a change in the stock. But then we had this, what I call the first downward resistance, that this was a very shallow channel that Tesla was in since May 9th. A very shallow channel right here. And let me draw a little bit. A very shallow channel right here. A very shallow channel. And when we broke that, then that confirmed that things were going to go great. Stochastic had gone to 90 at that point. After that candle here was the real buy opportunity at around 685 bucks. So yes, it's not the low here. It's not the low here. It's very hard to catch these lows. In fact, you cannot know that it's a low until it comes back up again. Basically, with technical analysis, you don't try to catch the ultimate low, but you try to catch the beginning of a new trend, which is pretty low in itself. It's 685 instead of 650. So that's a nice trade-off, but technical analysis also prevents us from holding a stock when it goes down, saving us from having in our hands a stock that's worth over $1,000 down to 600 bucks. So yes, we don't catch all of the lows, the ultimate low, but we don't hold something that goes down where we can lose 50% or 600 bucks a share. So in terms of the trades, I'm going to take that trade. I'm going to take that trade where I don't catch all of the lows, but I don't lose all of my money when it goes down in the downtrend. Okay, the rent is over. So yesterday we closed below this downward resistance, this second downward resistance, first, second, third. So we came lower than this second downward resistance, and today gap up. So this is nice. So we gapped up on the 1 hour chart and then reached this new channel that we are in now. So Tesla is in this upward channel right now. Upward channel right now. This is where we are, and we gapped up and went very close to this resistance right here, stayed there. And then for the last 2 hours of the day, we broke outside of this third channel resistance. So that's quite significant here. And stochastic is at 99, super high. Everything is super high. So that's pretty impressive for Tesla. That's for the 1 hour chart. On the daily chart, the daily chart is a little bit different because it's looking at a longer term. If I do an adjustment right here and place this resistance right on these two candles right here, I cannot place it on this one because this resistance needs to be in parallel with all of the others. Basically, we crossed a little bit. We crossed a little bit, but we don't have stochastic over 60 yet. So this move, it's a little bit less believable. If you have not entered on the daily chart, you can still do so. You can enter at any point, but there's an element of risk because of this. I just want to tell you this. You can still do it and you can still make money. We have stochastic at 41. We have MACD breaking over bullish. That's an interesting sign. So I'm going to put this thing on the daily chart. We have been in a descending strength with the RSI, and we have not crossed that strength up yet. And the MI still has not crossed because it's going to take him a little bit of time. So what could be happening from here? We can fall back at any point. We could be going up to 800 and then cave back in a little bit. And that would give us a little bit of time to the stochastic to climb up slowly so that once we bounce on something, probably on 695, then we could have a great stochastic, and that would be another great entry point. Because right now, this is hardly a bull trend because this is way too steep. So most likely we are going to bounce somewhere like this. It's possible, it's still possible that we go super steep and super high. It's always possible. It's always possible, but if we want to have a sustained move, because this was not a sustained move, this moved up and then this went down. So this was not a sustained move. If we want a sustained move, we need something that we need to have a pullback at some point, and from that pullback, then we can start drawing our support and then have this new channel that Tesla will be in and then follow that channel. So we don't have enough information yet to know exactly when this is going to happen. And what's nice with the stock market is that when we don't have enough information, we can just wait a little bit and candles will appear every single day, every single hour, and then we are going to get enough information to take our decision. So you might need less information to make a decision than some other people. This is where I think this is a personal opinion based on your financial situation. So this was why I never tell you should sell, you should buy. I am not a financial advisor. And also I don't believe in that, but I believe in sharing the criteria that I'm using to make those kinds of decisions. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link and my other affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, or if you are a member, we are going to talk also Sunday. So thank you very much. Have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.